What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. So finally we have a new video for the Z. Now that I've officially beat my state ref. Yes, my case was dismissed. I beat it. Since it was unlawful, I was a target. Luckily the judge decided to dismiss it, so it's dope. So yeah, if you guys don't know, my car is the Z, aka Triggs right here. So since when I got state refed, I pretty much sold my exhaust system and everything. I had to go back to stock. I sold my air intakes. Everything is pretty much stock on this car. I picked up the Tomei from my real good friend Jeff. So we got our Tomei Y pipe and our Tomei exhaust. And what's super dope about this, guys, so the Y pipe fits the 350Zs and the 370Zs, so it's the same. The exhaust though, I specifically wanted a 350Z version and not the 370Z, and the reason being is the 350Z one actually hangs a lot higher. So for my car being low, like look at this, I eat a lot of tire and I rub around a lot, so for me to have a system, and don't mind all this stuff, these are all the trigger spec orders going out. Thank you again for everybody who supports me. I really appreciate it. Means much love. But now back to this. So this is pretty much gonna hang a lot higher. It's gonna be much nicer. And shout out to my homie Andrew at True Focus Fab. He went ahead and sent me this rear bash bar so I can go ahead and install it on my car, since I have one in the front right there, but he sent me this for the rear. Alright, so now let's unbox the goodies and see what's inside. Alright, so here is the whole setup, guys. Tomei Y pipe, 350Z Tomei. Just check this beautiful Tomei out right here. Everything is so nice and it's super lightweight. I don't want to touch it with my hand, but this is super lightweight. Just look at these welds, guys. They're insane. This looks like a robot weld. So sick. So I got some heat wrap. I want to heat wrap this. I'm not really sure if I'm going. Anyways, this is how it looks. Alright, so we got our cold start. Hey, good old Tomei, fully wrapped. Looking cute. Oh yeah, let's get this cold start. Alright guys, what's up? I don't remember where we left, but we got the Tomei and our bash bar. So I went ahead and actually removed the rear bumper off the Z, as you guys can see, just like that. Removed it, and now we're gonna go ahead and take the stock bash bar off. Alright, so with the 12mm, you're gonna want to take these 4 bolts off on each of those brackets, which is ultimately the ones in this hole. So this is your stock bash bar, this is True Focus Fabs. Alright, well I had to remove the whole rear bumper and then to throw this bash bar on. So just so you guys know, you can't have a stock exhaust system if you want to throw this bash bar. Yeah, so pretty much the stock exhaust, it won't work because it's going to hit the resonator. But lucky for me, I got a Tomei, so I don't have to worry about that. This is going bye-bye, but this looks super sick. So pretty much just bolts right up just like that. Right there, and then you got your jack point. It'll be so easy, especially at the track. This is gonna be so nice because you can just jack it up from right there, change your tires, good to go for another lap. Thank you, Andrew. It's beautiful, works perfect, looks good, and it's gonna be able to tuck right into the bumper, so that's gonna be perfect. But thank you, man, really appreciate it, bro. Good quality, everything's solid. I highly recommend it. Pretty much we got the whole exhaust system off, as you guys can see, all the way to the cats right there. I actually am waiting for my Tomei
DE cats, just because we got one more Tomei thing right here, Tomei headers. So as soon as that comes, those guys are gonna go in. But Tomei headers, if you guys don't know, you need the DE 350Z test pipes from Tomei to make them fit, because it's made for that engine. And then you also have to adjust some of your header flange bolts that come out of your block. But it's something cool, and no one's really done them on the 370s. I've seen them on 350s, but why not be one of the few first around here? But yeah, so next we're gonna throw the Tomei on. Alright, so I wanted to mock it up before I show you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Y pipe. So the pipes, let's see. Let me stick this somewhere. So I don't know if you guys can see, on this one there's a small L right there, and then on the other side we have the same thing that says the R, so that's for left and right. But that's how it pretty much looks. I don't have it fully tightened because I need to put the other piece on, but the Y pipe pretty much goes on just like that. And left is for driver side, right is for passenger. And I'm using some isopropylene alcohol. My homie Samson Garage Charles told me you could use acetone to clean these, or isopropylene. So after, if you touch it with your hands, you want to clean it before you turn it on, because when the heat cycle goes through, you don't want to have fingerprints on the exhaust. So this is the other piece of the Y pipe, and it's gonna be go ahead and mounting up. Well, I guess both ways is the same. So yep. Alright, just like that, we got the clamps on. So these clamps, they come with a marker. Didn't really make sense, but I pretty much got them pretty tight. You don't want to over tighten them though, because it can bend the titanium. But yeah, that's pretty much the Y pipe installed just like that. I forgot to use the new hardware. I'm gonna do that, and then we'll connect the rest. So the next piece we're installing is this resonator. Alright guys, so we got the Tomei on. I don't know if I got a video of this. I guess I didn't, but we got the Tomei on. You guys can see fitment is fabulous. It slides all the way through. So with the 350Z Tomei, only thing that touches is that sole function brace that I put on my car. So if you don't have this, you're set to go. I put some heat wrap around it, just that way if it's touching the pipe, it doesn't damage it. We got our diff brace on, our cooling system, our trigger oil cooler, and our bash bar. Ooh, what a beautiful scene under here. This is beauty. But system is all done. Tomei all the way down. Y pipe is installed, if you guys can see. So now it's time for a startup. Yo, on a serious note though, Tomei with stock header being that loud is freaking insane.